Hello, my digital planner friends. Welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're going to do a plan with me. I know how you like them. Today, we're going to do March, and we're going to use a St. Patrick's Day kit that I created. And that is what we're going to do today. So if you're new around here, my name is Brandi Reed with 3 Nail Faith, where I create digital stickers and digital planners for Christian women. If that's something that you like, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss a single video. Let's get started. All right, so here is our St. Patrick's Day theme kit that we're going to use. I'm going to zoom in so you can see, get a little bit closer look. I love that. Not lucky, just blessed is the theme for this year's kit. So we have 4 scriptures, prayer list, there's the 4th one, to-dos, some washi, weekend, and date covers. And then here's some checkbox things on the side. And here's some extra little stickers you can add. We added the water bottle this year. And I added just a shamrock with the cross in the center. And again, this year's kit, now do not have the circles on them like last year's. I just kind of like just the icon itself. So that's what we're going to go with. And we've got your emojis for your feelings and weather, happy Valentine's Day, payday, and of course our hex codes for if you want to use the pens. So we're going to go ahead and close out of that. I've already gone ahead and added my meetings just to make this go just a little bit faster. That seems to always take up the most time. I'm going to go ahead and use the Elements collection. If you've never used it before, you will have to load it into your planner. But here is the Elements. Again, if you touch this little box with a line through it, it's going to make it go on the side. And then I like to bring it down where there's 3 and then make my planner smaller. So it just makes it a little bit easier for me to be able to see all the different stickers we're going to use. Okay, so let's go ahead and start with the washi. I want to add a line of washi to the bottom. And as you can probably maybe see, I'm not really sure, it comes in a little wonky, so using the Elements tool, but if you always come over to your photo tool, tap it, zoom in so you can see, because you can see it's kind of wonky. And if you just use it'll straighten the arrow. Sorry, couldn't use my words. The arrow, it will straighten it out. Okay, let's zoom back out so we can, I want to fill in this whole section down here. And there, that looks nice. And I think sometimes I use the smaller washi over there, or even this again, but I think I just loved the sayings. I want to use them. And let's go ahead and pull in our date covers. Just touch and drag. I'm gonna move these over to their right spots. So when I zoom in, it's easier. Sometimes they get out of order, and I'm really not quite sure why it does that, but it does. I'm gonna make that one smaller to fit in there. Do you guys do anything fun for St. Patrick's Day? We actually started several years ago. I'm not quite sure how it started, but it did. We do and I'm probably going to butcher the name of this, the charcuterie board, or however you say it, basically the cheese and cracker or whatever kind of board. See how it's not lining up right? Again, go to your photo button, use your little arrow here, and it will straighten out really nicely. I don't really know how it started. I think I was just wanting to have some fun one year with green, and that was what popped up when I was searching through Pinterest. And it's stuck. We've done it every year now. And same thing with like Valentine's Day. We do fondues. We do a a chocolate fondue for dessert, of course. And then for dinner, we do like a cheese one. A lot of times we'll either do a cheese one or the Alfredo one, where we just, I make like homemade Alfredo, and then we have chicken and broccoli and sometimes meatballs. Sometimes we always have some shrimp. Not that we dump that. So I guess we do sometimes dump it in the shrimp too. The shrimp in the Alfredo as well. Just some kind of fun themes that we've done over the years. Let me know in the comments if you do any of those fun kind of themes or anything like that. I forgot to turn my notifications off, so it's showing notifications, but that's all right. We're just gonna roll with it. You know me, I like to just go with the flow. Again, like these boxes are usually never perfect. So there's that. There was a shamrock. With the cross on it, I'm gonna use that to cover up. See how there's a circle, so that way you can use that on the weekly and be able to have your day covers on there. Well, I like to use it on my monthly, and then a lot of times I will just add a little doodad or whatever there. This month, it really doesn't matter because you really could just think it's another circle because the background theme has a little bit of a circle to it. But I do like to put my little decorations too. So that is what we're doing. This kit is part of the Everything Bundle. If you have not already gotten the Everything Bundle, I'll leave that link below where you can, oh, there's those ones that I want to use right there. So we're going to put them in. Anyway, if you haven't gotten the Everything Bundle yet, it's available, and I'll leave the shop link below, where you can get everything in the shop all for one price and not ever have to pay for it again. You get everything past and present. Okay, so I need my coffee because I have a coffee chat on Monday. And I'm gonna go ahead and copy that so I can put it on all of them. I should have actually had that already pasted, so I wouldn't have had to do this again, but that's okay. No big deal. A little bit of paste never hurt anybody. I may add some of these icons in this time. Let's see. Let's go back to the top. Okay, so we have church on Sundays. Let's go ahead and just fill in our Sundays, what we got going on Sundays. We have church, and I like to plan on Sundays for my week. So I usually do a load of laundry too. So let's see. We're looking for laundry. Here's laundry. Usually do a load of laundry. Laundry seems to be a never-ending thing. Anybody else have that problem, or is it just me? Okay, so we've got that. We've got church, we've got planning, we've got laundry. I think that's about all that I'm going to use on that one. So let's go ahead and copy. Make life easy for yourself. And paste. I like a decorated planner, but I don't always make it crazy. All right, let's see. Tuesdays, I don't think I have anything much going on Tuesdays. Wednesdays, we have Bible study. There's my Bible. We have Bible study. And guess what? I do more laundry on Wednesdays. And I don't think I'm gonna put any other ones in. I just thought it'd be fun to add some laundry in. Oh, That was the one thing I forgot. We have to put our garbage can out on Sundays. Oh, well, that'll be all right. You know what I did forget? I wanted to... I like putting in my start weight and my end weight. I just started doing that last month. So there's my end weight, and I may just stick up here. It'll be all right. I liked it on the calendar, how I had that last month, but that's still, because I really like those things, and I don't want to, I might just, you know what, let's do that. Let's take out that guy, because we have it a lot of other places. And we'll move that right there. I just kind of want a space in between the two of those. Just give it a little bit of separation. And let's see, what else? Does anybody else forget to, like, they're real good about washing the laundry, but then they have a hard time putting it away? Yeah, that's why I had to make a laundry basket for me. So on my daily page, I'm able to put, hey, make sure you get your wash done. Okay, I think that's all I'm gonna put in on Wednesdays. I'm probably forgetting something. I should write this stuff down sometimes. But you know what? You can always add stuff in as you go through the month. The main thing I like to make sure I have is all my Zoom meetings and all my different meetings, and making sure my church time is in here. So that way, that is non-negotiable. I don't negotiate those times. So if there's something else that I need to make sure that it gets done, or I want to get done, I know if something's going to interfere with it or not. So if I'm wanting to plan something else at, say, maybe 11:30 on a Thursday, I know, oh, I can't do that because I've got a Zoom meeting. Or if something else is planned, I'm going to be able to say, hey, I'm not going to be able to be on this particular call. And that's okay too. You know, sometimes you need to take care of life things over what is meetings wise and whatnot, if you're able to. But that's neither here nor there. So anyway, but that's my main thing. And that way, that is why I really like having a monthly schedule, to make sure that I get everything. So it's easily saying, oh, okay, I can schedule a dentist appointment. I can do a doctor's appointment, or the kids have something going on. I can make sure that I'm there for that. Okay, we are going to pay bills on the Friday after. And I think I'm going to use this green. Always wait a day after bills come in. I don't know why. Just my thing. All right. I know family time Saturday. Always make sure we have that family time on Saturday. Oh, you know what I forgot? I forgot St. Patrick's Day. All right, let's see. We're going to go ahead and slide that guy in there. Do our St. Patrick's Day dinner that night. It's the weekend. I feel like I'm forgetting something on Saturdays. I'm gonna have to go back in and fill a few things. I'm sure. One thing that I do need to add to the 18th is my daughter's prom is this day. So let's move that maybe up there. We're still gonna have some family time, but it's probably mostly going to be centered around my daughter's first prom. It's her junior prom. Oh, goodness. Time's flying too fast. Way too fast. And prom dress shopping, oh my. Whew, prom dresses have changed tremendously since when I was in school. But we found a dress that Mom approves of, so that's a good thing, because that was a little bit of a trick. Some of these dresses are just a little bit, woo. Anyway, that's another story too. Okay, let's see. I want to go ahead and add that garbage can in, because just so we don't forget, because we did happen to forget one day last week, or one day last month, I mean, not week. 1 week we did, and I mean, there's a ton more icons I could put on here, but I don't like it too full where I can't add things in if I need to. And that top section's just a little bit bland, and I really, really, really want to add this blessed in. So I think I'm just going to add, I love how this turned out. So I'm going to add that, I think, right here to the bottom. So I just love that. Isn't that so cute? So cute. And oh yes, the top section. I guess I can add some shamrocks to the top, because I don't think that other Lucky, not Bless, would fit without it looking really silly. And we will add the same to the other side. I'm all about symmetrical. If you haven't noticed that in my plans too, things kind of need to look symmetrical for me. That might be just too much, but we'll deal. I may change it up throughout the month. That's a good thing about digital planning too. You can easily change anything at a moment's notice. But yeah, I think that is about it. Again, this is the St. Patrick's Day kit from 2023. And there is our layout for this month. Again, this is part of the everything bundle where you pay one price and get everything currently in the shop and any future items. I also have a customer hub, if you purchase, that you can get all kinds of freebies in there too. And then I also have a scripture bundle where you can get a daily, well, it's a monthly plan where you get a daily scripture to write every day, and affirmations, daily affirmation for every day, and a free planner to try out if you'd like to try digital planning. If this is something that you haven't done before and want to try it out, you can do that. I'll leave that link below. And then we also have a digital planning meetup where we meet monthly to just do this, just digital plan, talk with other Christians, and enjoy the fellowship with each other. That is a wonderful community that we have there too, and I will leave that link for you below too. So here is our month of March already, and I will see you in the next video. Have a blessed day. Bye-bye.